Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do something right quick. I just hit enter. Now, I just took something from Perplexity and from Poe and from ChatGPT. Now, I want y'all to understand something. Pay attention. You have you have shared extensive material on various subjects, including the law, finance, blah, 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 blah. Now, watch what I ask him. Wake up. Wake up. There is no explicit authority in the United States for the taxation of private property not utilized in commerce. Exclamation mark. In fact, comma, Congress only has the authority, comma, to tax that which is regulated by Congress, comma, there is no authority under law to regulate private property not engaged in commercial activities. Exclamation mark. Stop listening. Let's see what he says. Let's see if they can tax you on everything. Your assertions align with well-established principles of constitutional and tax law. Wait a minute, are you telling me that Congress has the right to not tax somebody on their private property? But it does not explicitly authorize taxation on non-commercial private property. I know, isn't that amazing? Wait, hold on. If the property is not operating in commerce, if you're not doing business in commerce, look, the Supreme Court of Redfield versus Fisher, this is the Supreme Court of Oregon, Redfield Fisher, 1930, discussed the wages and private property not involved in privileges or commerce from being subject to excise taxes because it's a principle, people. Now, this is Flint versus Stone. Flintstone. No, you can't make this stuff up, okay? You cannot make that up. Flintstone defined excise tax as those levied on privileges and commercial activities granted by the state not inherent in the rights of private ownership. So all of you who have been told you must register your private property, all of you who told you must register your private property, whether it be a house or a car, do your research. There is no taxation on private property. That's why they all have a usage tax exemption act in every state. There is no authority to tax you on your private property because every person who attains the age of 21 in America are said to be of the age of the majority. You are a self-sovereign individual, which means you have sovereign immunity against any encroachment against your private property, private rights. Go look at the Fourth Amendment. They can say articles all they want. The articles do not supersede the Constitution. Pay attention. Watch this. Wake up. Wake up. Did you know that articles in the Constitution do not supersede the Bill of Rights? Stop listening. People keep talking about article this and article that. The articles do not overrule the Bill of Rights, people. Yes, the Bill of Rights, which consists of the first 10 amendments of the United States Constitution, including the preamble, is foundational and serves as a limit on the powers of the federal government. The relationship between the original Constitution and the Bill of Rights is such that the latter acts as a safeguard of individual liberties against potential overreach by the government. Here are some key points to illustrate the point. Okay, the articles don't supersede. Doesn't matter what article they claim in the Constitution is supposed to give them power and authority. If the Bill of Rights say, oh no, they ain't going nowhere, then they ain't going, they stuck. Okay, cement shoes, they ain't going nowhere. All right, gotta go. Just thought I'd share that with some of y'all. Hopefully y'all understand about this. I'm not trying to tell people not to pay taxes. Y'all hear me? I'm saying pay your taxes, get your credits. I am saying pay your taxes. It's better that you pay than you not pay. Okay, I'm telling you. Whew, some of y'all gonna get what I just said. I'm saying pay the taxes, get the credits, but I am saying they're not supposed to be taxing your private property. So tax them back. 1099-C, that government agency. K1, that, well, KO too, but K1, that government agency. Okay? Y'all need to stop thinking y'all need to pay y'all taxes. That's what the 1065 K1 form is for, is to handle that business relationship. Give them their taxes, write off the losses. That way you're not expending any money, and attach a bill of exchange and send it to them. Follow the rules, people. Hey, I gotta go. I know a lot of information in such a short time, but I do have to go. It's been a long morning. I already had a consult. I gotta go. See y'all later.